Today, I'm going to show you how to install the back seat custom seat covers from Seat Cover Solutions in this Tesla Model Y. To make it easy, lay down the back seat and pull out this panel right here for extra room in the back. We'll start by popping up the underneath of the seat, which can be done with just a tug. Then we'll place the bottom of the cover onto the seat and send the buckles through. Be sure to not cinch it too tight as it will prevent you from locking it back down. Then we can connect these two hooks through the middle loops of the cover and tie them together tightly. Then we can put the bottom back into place, and with some force, it will clamp back down onto the seat. Now we'll place the back section of these seat covers on. Slide the back of the seat cover down the panel of the back seat. Make sure that you pull the seat belt out so that it can go into the correct slot. Once you have that done, we can go ahead and zip it down. Remember that each section of the back seat will be installed the exact same way. Once you have that done, you can use the tuck tool to fold the flaps through the crease of the seat. And just like we did in the front seats, pull the flap through the back of the seat, undo the tape on the Velcro, and stick it together tight. Then we can use the tuck tool to fold in the headrest slots. And last but not least, all we have to do is put the headrests on, just slide them in and attach below where the Velcro is. Once you've done that, you've completed your back seat installation. As always, if you have any questions, give us a call.